If you are living with diabetes, here is a simple truth. It is not only what you eat. It is when you eat, how you pair foods, and how gently a meal lands on your blood sugar. One wrong breakfast can push your glucose up for hours. A heavy lunch can crash your energy and trigger cravings. A late starchy dinner can nudge your fasting numbers higher while you sleep. The good news is that clear, simple recipes can turn every plate into progress. In this video, you will get 10 diabetic-friendly recipes that lower the glycemic load of your day. Use easy ingredients, taste great, and are budget-friendly. I will show you exactly how to make them, how to time them, and how to pair protein, fiber, they'll pair in healthy fats so your numbers stay steady. Ready? Let's cook smart. Important note in this video is educational. It is not medical advice. If you take insulin, sulfonylureas, SGLT2 inhibitors, or have kidney or heart conditions, check with your own clinician before you change your diet. Top 3 breakfasts for steady morning: steel-cut oats with chia, almond butter, and cinnamon warm. A small pot with 1 cup of water. Stir in 1/4 cup of dry steel-cut oats. Simmer on low for 15 to 20 minutes until creamy. Turn off the heat. Stir in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened almond butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. If you want a touch of sweetness, fold in a small handful of blueberries. The oats and chia give you gel-forming fiber that slows sugar release. Almond butter adds gentle fat and a little protein to keep you full. Cinnamon adds a mild insulin-supportive effect. Eat this bowl with a big glass of water, and you will notice calmer numbers and longer. Smoother energy. Veggie omelet with avocado crack, 2 large eggs into a bowl, and whisk with a pinch of salt and pepper. Warm a small skillet with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Saute a small handful of chopped bell pepper and a small handful of spinach until soft. Pour in the eggs. Cook until set. Fold and slide to a plate. Add 1/2 of a medium avocado on the side. The eggs bring complete protein for satiety and focus. The vegetables bring volume and micronutrients with almost no glycemic hit. The avocado gives fiber and monounsaturated fat that slow digestion. This is an ideal choice if your fasting glucose runs high in the morning. Greek yogurt bowl with berries, walnuts, and flax spoon, 3/4 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt into a bowl. Top with 1/2 cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts, and 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed. Dust with cinnamon if you like. The yogurt supports your gut, which helps insulin sensitivity. The berries add flavor with a low glycemic load. Walnuts and flax bring omega-3 south and extra fiber. This bowl is light, fast, and kind to your blood sugar, even on busy mornings. Top 3 lunches that power your FTR: no-ang grilled chicken salad with avocado, beans, and lemon olive oil. Season 4 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast with paprika, garlic, and lemon. Grill or pan-sear until cooked through, then slice. Build a salad with 2 cups of chopped romaine, a small handful of cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup of cooked black beans, and 1/4 of a ripe avocado. Dress with 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. The protein, fiber, and healthy fat blend keeps your afternoon steady and reduces the urge to snack on fast carbs. Lentil quinoa bowl with roasted veggies and tiny roast, a tray of broccoli and zucchini with a light brush of olive oil. Garlic and black pepper at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until tender. In a bowl, mix 1/2 cup cooked green lentils and 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. Add the roasted vegetables. Whisk 1 tablespoon tahini with lemon juice and a splash of water until creamy and drizzle over the bowl. The lentils bring very slow digesting carbs and protein. Quinoa adds minerals and texture. Tahini brings richness and calcium. You feel full, not foggy. Tuna stuffed avocado with leafy greens. Open a can of tuna in water and drain it well. Mix with a squeeze of lemon, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of mustard, and a little chopped celery or red onion. Have a ripe avocado and remove the pit. Fill the centers with the tuna mixture. Serve with a big handful of mixed greens on the side and a light drizzle of olive oil. This lunch is fast, low glycemic, and very satisfying. It is perfect on days when you need control without cooking time. Top 3 dinners that set up a better Marana 9 grilled. Salmon with steamed asparagus and quinoa season. A 4-ounce salmon fillet with lemon, garlic, and pepper. Grill or pan-sear until flaky. Steam 1 cup of asparagus until bright green and tender. Serve with 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa. Finish with a teaspoon of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. The omega-3 fats in salmon calm inflammation. Quinoa gives slow energy and magnesium for evening relaxation. Asparagus brings fiber and a clean finish that will not push your glucose up at night. Zucchini and chickpea. Stir fry over cauliflower rice warm. A skillet with 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Saute sliced zucchini and chopped red bell pepper until tender. Stir in 1/2 cup drained chickpeas. Season with turmeric, cumin, garlic, and lemon. Serve over 1 cup of cauliflower rice. This plate is light but filling, rich in fiber and spices that support insulin sensitivity, and kind to your overnight numbers. Turkey lettuce wraps with avocado and herbed yogurt brown. 4 ounces of lean ground turkey with garlic and onion. Spoon into 3 large leaves of romaine or butter lettuce. Top with diced avocado. Stir 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt with lemon and dill and drizzle over the wraps. This dinner lands softly on your digestion, supports better sleep, and keeps fasting glucose steadier. A smart snack that does not spike while you apple slices. With natural peanut butter and cinnamon, slice 1/2 of a medium apple. Spread a light layer of unsweetened natural peanut butter. Dust with a pinch of cinnamon. The fruit satisfies a sweet tooth, the nut butter slows digestion, and the cinnamon adds extra support. This works well mid-afternoon or as a small evening snack if you need it. How to use these recipes for the next 7. Start your day with a tall glass of water. Pick one breakfast and stay with it for 2 to 3 days so you can see how your meter or CGM responds. Rotate through the 3 lunches across the week so you do not get bored. Choose any one dinner on repeat for 2 nights, then switch. Keep the snack on hand for the moments when cravings usually hit. Eat protein and fiber first at each meal. Sit down, breathe, and eat slowly. If a recipe gives you a bump, reduce the portion of starch by a few bites. Add extra greens, or add a little more protein. Tiny changes make visible differences. Troubleshooting quick mornings, run high. Favor the omelet or the yogurt bowl and delay fruit until lunch. If afternoons crash, choose the chicken salad or lentil quinoa bowl and sip water before you eat. If nights creep up, pick salmon or turkey wraps. Walk for 10 minutes after dinner. And stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Final, managing diabetes is not about perfection. It is about simple, repeatable choices that work with your body. These 10 recipes lower the glycemic load of your day, calm inflammation, protect your nerves and vessels, and still taste like real food. Use them, rotate them, and watch your numbers and your energy settle. You are not doing this alone. We are doing it together. In the comments, tell me your country or city and which recipe you will try first.